Today I wanted to run you through my favorite SaaS product demos. I've made and reviewed thousands of SaaS product demos because I'm the co-founder of a company called Howdy-Go. We do interactive product demo software for marketing teams. I'm also going to explain why I think they're great product demos to give you a bit of an idea about what good looks like, so that hopefully you can draw some inspiration from these demos. Let's dive into it. Slack is using a custom-built interactive product demo to show how Slack works and exactly what you can do in Slack to collaborate with your team. So over on the right, we have this sort of structured flow. There's so much you and your team can accomplish in Slack. Start the interactive tour and click on the yellow guides to explore. So it's very explanatory, it's very simple, and we click Start Tour. They're using annotations, which you can do in Howdy-Go actually, to just step through each of the stages in their product demo. And what I love about this is that they're using a storyline to create a general structure to this product demo, rather than here's how you can do some instant messaging in Slack. What they did there between each of the transitions was really awesome. They basically use animations, which again, you can actually do in Howdy-Go, to create a little bit of a flow and make it really feel like you're in a real Slack environment. Then we dive into threads. What they're doing here really nicely is that they're not jumping around between different aspects of the product. There's a clear narrative and a storyline to this whole demo, and they're doing that really beautifully. There's a couple of things that I would improve here. I don't think that it's necessary to show people what an emoji is and how you can react to it. You can already kind of tell that from the UI here. When you're creating your product demo, you should be doing everything you can to create a very, very short, punchy product demo. Remember, this is the first time people are seeing your product in action. Obviously, a lot of people use Slack, so maybe it's not the first time they've ever seen Slack, but this should be short and punchy, and you should think about every single feature that you go through and go, is this actually adding value? Is this really giving people an idea of what the product is capable of? In this case, emojis, no. Skip it. As you can see, the chapter is automatically updated, which is really cool to see. I'm going to jump through to the end of this demo. The thing that I want to show you here is actually the CTA. So at the very end of this product demo, they have a CTA step, and they essentially show you get started. Having a CTA at the end of your product demo is super valuable, because basically the people who reach this point in your product demo are so engaged with what your product is capable of. They've literally gone through the process of looking at the entirety of your product in action. It's worth having a CTA because they can dive straight into their product, sign up for an account, and away you go. Awesome. That's the first one. Let's move on to the next. The next demo that I'm going to show you is a company called Como. Como is essentially a marketing activation tool. So when you go to a football match, for example, and they have a board up that says you can scan the QR code and win a prize, that is usually run by Como. What I love about the Como demo is that it's using Howdy-Go. And the second reason I love it is because it's so fun. They've found a really nice way to not only show off what their product is capable of, but do it in a way that is engaging and enjoyable to actually step through. All right, so this is their website. And the reason I wanted to show you their website first is because their interactive product demo is embedded directly into the page. So as you scroll down, you can see straight away, see how easy it is to build your activations with Como. Try it for yourself right now. As soon as you click Start Demo, boom, we're in the product. We can actually kind of see how the product works. We're hovering over stuff. There's this chapter navigator in the bottom left-hand corner. It's really nicely integrated into the page with the dark frame. You're now a marketer at Pulse in Paradise. Start by clicking Add Card to create your first piece of content. You can actually scroll around in here as well and see all of the activations that they have. In this case, they're calling out the scratch and win, and I'll show you why they're doing that in a moment. It's a relatively complex SaaS product, because not only do you have the administrative side of showing how the product works from a marketing perspective, you also then have to somehow show how the product works for the user. Upload. They're keeping it really punchy, and they're jumping directly to the parts that are most relevant. They're not wasting time pointing out all of the different aspects that are available to you. Automations, analytics, coupons, those things can come later. This is on their homepage. They want to make it as clear as possible how the product works as quickly as possible. We're about to ship it to the world by clicking publish. We publish the demo and boom, we're directly into the actual experience that a user would normally see when they're at the festival. And that's really awesome. You know, you can see the festival in the background, it's really fun. Scratch and rave, let's go. You don't have to fill in any of your details because it's already pre-filled, which is really nice. I mean, how many times have you wanted to try something out? I don't know, like a lead form or a type form or something, and you get to the point where it's like plug in your email details and you're like, I don't really want to do that. I just want to see how the product works. This is a great way to achieve that. Click submit and we have the scratch and win. Just right now, if you look at this, they're going to use our animation feature to make it a really engaging, exciting demo. It shows you how the product works in a really nice, clean way without forcing you to go through all of the processes that you would normally have to go through. Ping, you just got a message where they're just showing SMS code, which then unlocks the coupon. And now we kind of get into these more complex aspects of the product around, you know, activations, analytics. Product demos are great for this because one of the beautiful things is that you get to show your product with a lot of data in it. Because if you have a free trial, for instance, it's not the same as offering people a way to see how the product works with data in it. And you can see here, we've got some data on the screen as well. These are kind of the final aspects of their product demo. Again, they've got the chapters to help you navigate around. If you want to jump back to a previous part, you can do that. Very simple CTA, start your 21-day free trial, book a demo as the first call to action, which must be their sort of most common pathway for new users who are interested in using Como. They have the book a demo button, but then they also have try for free. So if you want to dive straight into the product, you can do that, and it's really easy to do. Book a demo links out to a campaign page where they have this set up with their normal HubSpot form. And what they've also done here is added the UTM medium demo and UTM campaign interactive demo to help them to understand, you know, how are interactive product demos helping them to close more opportunities and get more prospects into their pipeline. So this is a really awesome demo, and I really love the way that they've used HowdyGo to make that happen. The next product demo that I want to show you through is a little bit different from a traditional SaaS product demo because it's actually Google Gemini's AI model. If you have a moment and this was helpful, please subscribe or like this video. And the reason I want to show you this one is because I really love the way that they increase the complexity over time. They're not just diving straight into it. They also have a really fun approach to actually showing off how this product works. Let's check it out now.
Here we go. Tell me what you see.
I see you placing a piece of paper on the table.
Very simple opener. And then over the next, let's say 30 seconds, actually about a minute, they basically increase the complexity of this product demo. I also really love over here on the right how they've basically got the transcript built in. This is great if people aren't comfortable viewing a demo video with their audio turned on. If you did a product demo, a SaaS product demo in HowdyGo, you could do it with just the annotations and you don't have to have any of the audio in the background, which I think is really helpful for a lot of people who are maybe sitting in an office environment. They don't want to watch a video with their sound turned on.
It is more common for ducks to be brown, black, or white.
Are you sure?
What the quack?
Great storyline.
Can you teach me how to say this in a different language?
So they're changing it up again and they're showing you different aspects. So not just here's a dialogue back and forth, but also multilinguality, game creation, all of these things. And you can see they've got different chapter markers here to help you navigate around in this demo. All of these things, you know, they are built into YouTube, but at the end of the day, these things help people to jump to the bits that they find interesting and hopefully increase the number of people that see the kind of most important and interesting aspects of this product demo. This last demo, which is a bonus demo really, because it's not actually just showing one particular product demo, it's showing a collection of product demos that one of our customers is using to show off all of the different aspects of their product. It's a relatively technical product. Flagsmith is a feature flagging tool for developers. They basically sell to software engineers and chief technical officers or chief technology officers, VP of engineering, those sort of people. What they use interactive product demos for is to basically show off how their product works, but because it's such a broad and complex product, they needed a way to show off these different aspects broken up into multiple demos. So on their homepage, they have this try interactive demo as a secondary CTA, and this is a really fantastic way to kind of integrate interactive demos into your homepage if you don't want to have an interactive demo directly on the homepage like Como did. So we click try interactive demo and we're launched into this custom/demo page, which has been really effective for them. Just from an attribution perspective, they can basically track exactly how many people come to this page, where they go to afterwards. And if we scroll down here, we have the core sort of overview demo. It has the chapters here to jump around in the specific aspects of this demo. But we also have more demos down here where we show off different aspects of Flagsmith that are getting increasingly more complex. So it's not just one demo, it's multiple demos, all showing different aspects of the product. And I can actually dive into here. This is a really complex demo because it's showing so much detail and it's explaining things in so much detail, but they actually get fantastic completion rates on this. We check their analytics on a pretty regular basis with because they're one of our pro customers. We can see that over 70% of people are reaching the end of this demo, which just shows you how valuable it can be to show how a product works in so much detail. You know, you're not pandering to people and treating them like they don't know what they're talking about or they don't know what they're doing. You just give them the detail. And right on this CTA step, we have two different CTAs similar to the Como one. The primary one is create an A/B test. It's tied really heavily directly to the demo that they've just completed. This last demo on this demo page is actually a really interesting one because it's not a traditional product demo. Again, it has great completion rates, but what they do here is they actually pull out quotes from all of their customers from their case studies and use them in the product demo to show, you know, this is how an actual customer uses Flagsmith to achieve the outcomes, the business outcomes that they wanted to achieve. I really love this demo. These are my personal favorite demos. I would love to see you over on Howdy Go. If you need a hand at all building your product demo, get in touch with us via the in-app chat. You'll be speaking to one of the founders, probably me, to be honest. Otherwise, thanks so much. Have a great day. If you have a moment and this was helpful, please subscribe or like this video.